Penny with SwissWatchExpo. Today I'm looking at a watch that I think would make a fabulous gift for a lady in your life. This is a Cartier Tank Francaise watch. This is an entirely white gold watch. It has a beautiful bracelet that has diamonds on the outside of the bracelet and diamonds going up the sides on this gorgeous bezel as well. I think that this would make an excellent gift because, first of all, who doesn't love Cartier? Cartier makes amazing designs for both watches and jewelry. And second of all, I think white gold is such an easy thing to pair with so many different pieces of jewelry and so many different outfits. This one with the diamonds would be perfect for someone who loves a ton of diamonds, loves wearing diamonds every single day. This watch would pair perfectly if they wear diamond earrings or diamond bracelets all the time. This one I also love just because it's so gorgeous, and it's a smaller size, so I think it works well for ladies with smaller wrists, and it won't overpower their wrist, and it just looks like classic Cartier. This, again, is an entirely white gold, so it feels like very precious. It's got a good weight to it, and it feels great when you wear it. And it's got this beautiful classic Cartier dial as well, with simple Roman numerals and blue steel hands, which is just the Cartier signature. So if you are looking for an amazing gift this holiday season for someone that you love, or if you're looking to splurge a little bit of money that you got at work for yourself, you should definitely check out this watch as well as all of our other wonderful women's Cartier watches we have available at SwissWatchExpo.com.